In this video, we look at the basics of working with the CELUM brand management solution. CELUM makes brands understood and thrive with its unique set of capabilities to help you take care of the entire brand management lifecycle. It is made for brand, marketing, and communications managers who need to give each stakeholder their own personalized entry into the world of their organization's brands. To get started, let's talk about CELUM portals in CELUM Experience, which enable you to create personalized front-ends for your target audiences. Easily support any use case, brand guidelines, sales portals, or press portals embedded in any website. Share content publicly or require credentials. In our CELUM portals, you can define design standards to ensure that each new portal is always consistent with your brand. CELUM portals have an intuitive page builder that is also highly customizable. Mix and match widgets according to your needs and add filters with a few clicks. Analyze top content with CELUM's performance insights. While CELUM portals serve as a powerful front-end, CELUM content allows you to store and manage thousands of relevant brand assets in the back-end. With CELUM, you minimize the manual effort required to manage your assets thanks to powerful metadata and AI tags that improve search and discoverability. For example, if you have a new logo, simply replace the old one with the new version, and it will be reflected in all integrated channels without further hassle. Use CELUM Work to collaborate with marketing agencies, photographers, or internal stakeholders when you need new brand assets. For example, you can easily review and approve images from a photo shoot for your next branding campaign. Use visual markups on each image, add comments, or tag colleagues for better alignment. Running them through a Kanban-based approval workflow ensures a secure and compliant sign-off. Remember, make your brand understood and thrive with CELUM portals, brand asset management, content collaboration. Marketing and brand managers have successfully increased brand adoption with CELUM. Now it's your turn.